Uh-uh.
It's great to be a ghost.
Let me see it.
Great to be a ghost. First you make the moaning sound. Hold your arms out.
Let me see some dancing.
But that's not all, 'cause I'm sure you've heard about a ghost. All-time favorite word is I'm saying yeah.
What do you think? Is that cool or what? I want you to show me everything. What'd you get?
Mommy.
Yeah, turn around. Let me see the front of it.
I should have opened this.
Oh, you want to eat the chocolate right away?
But
And then you want to read the book? You want to eat the chocolate while we're reading the book? I didn't see the front of the book. Show me the cover. Show me the cover.
what is this one?
Who is that guy?
George.
What's he doing?
He's in.
Close it up. I can't see the cover. How cool is that?
Good.
And what else? Did you get one more thing?
Uh,
What's this?
a book.
Yeah, pick the book up and show it to me.
Maybe after this.
Maybe after we read this one? All right, I want you to look up. I want you to say, thank you, Grandma and Papa.
Thank you, Mom and Papa.
Say, I love you.
I love you.
And say, Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
And say, what are you going to be for Halloween?
What's it gonna be for Halloween?
And tell them what you're going to be.
I don't know.
Is it start with the fl, Flash?
Flash.
And what does Flash do?
Went so fast.
He's run really fast. He's a superhero, huh?
Yeah, but look it. George is a ghost.
George is a ghost.
Yeah, he won. Why? 1, 2, 3. Mommy, it's called how many ghosts did.
Okay, Grandma and Papa, I think you
One.
scored with this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's pretty cool.
Yes,
Okay,
the
look at me and
next
say
page.
the end.
Yay!